Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today, I'm going to be here to talk to you about something that's changing the game in real estate, and it is Facebook and Instagram ads. Okay, I know ads might not sound thrilling, but trust me, in the world of real estate sales, they're a game changer. With billions of users on Facebook and Instagram, these platforms are more than just social network, guys. They're powerful tools for us realtors. Okay, so let's start with the basics. Facebook ads are those posts in your news feeds with a sponsored label at the bottom. You see them all the time. They're set up through a Facebook business account, and your budget determines their frequency. Instagram ads are similar, appearing in timelines or stories, and also require a Facebook business account to set up. The beauty here is the integration. One account controls both platforms. Now, why should we as real estate professionals use these ads? Well, it's not just because of the huge audience, though it's a huge perk. It's about crafting your brand, your digital identity. We're in the business of selling, not just properties, but we sell ourselves, our expertise, our unique approach to real estate, guys. And there's never been a better time to sell yourself than today because of these social media platforms. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram have billions of viewers and users. Therefore, what can be easier? Social media thrives on interaction. You post something and you're gonna get immediate feedback. If what you post is crap, then you're gonna get no feedback. So this is crucial for us. In real estate, visuals are king. A whopping 83% of home buyers wanna see property images online. Facebook and Instagram are perfect for showcasing high quality visuals of your listings. And if you use video content, you'll drive traffic even more. Okay, so now let's talk about lead generation. These platforms, Instagram and Facebook, excel at guiding potential clients to your site or contact form. But here's the crucial point. These ads aren't gonna convert unless you're proactive. You need to time block daily to call every single lead, input the details into your CRM, and set up follow-up sequences, or else nothing's gonna happen, guys. And this is the reason why real estate agents always complain about Facebook lead gen. Sure, it's been out there for a long time, but I have never seen such amazing conversion rates on any other real estate lead generation platform. I have to tell you, yes, you get a ton of leads. Yes, you gotta weed through those leads, but there are ways of doing things that will leverage your time. We're gonna save that for another video, but don't complain about Facebook because there's just too many leads to weed through. So if you want me to show you how to weed out the good leads from the bad leads quickly with Facebook ads, then just comment the word ad in the comment section below. So these ads won't convert unless you're proactive. You need to time block daily, call every single lead, input the details in your CRM, and set up follow-up sequences. There has to be a disciplined approach, and it is key to transforming leads into actual business opportunities. And this isn't just for Facebook. This is for every single lead generation system you use in your business. Now, setting up your campaign is where your strategy comes into play. What are your goals? Are you looking to increase your brand visibility? Are you looking to showcase a new listing? Are you looking to attract a specific demographic? So the great thing is that Facebook and Instagram's targeting capabilities allow you to pinpoint your audience with amazing accuracy. But the audience is only gonna look at your ads if you create amazing content. Content is your chance to shine. Your ads should be eye-catching and speak directly to your target audience. For listings, it's about telling a story, selling a lifestyle. Make your audience envision themselves in that property. Use compelling narratives, proper captions, stunning visuals to capture their imagination. Don't be using crappy photography and stupid captions with no call to actions or USPs. Remember, guys, success in advertising is all about measurement. Remember to track your leads, engagement, and conversion rates. There's many tools out there that could help you with that. The data you collect is vital for refining your strategy and ensuring a solid ROI. So are your ads converting viewers into leads, and are those leads converting into potential buyers and sellers? This information is going to guide your future campaigns so that you could get rid of the crap that doesn't work and actually use the stuff that is working to your advantage. And of course, guys, don't forget about retargeting. It's a powerful tool to stay in front of potential clients who have already shown interest. Use retargeting to reinforce your message and your brand, keeping you top of mind when buyers and sellers are ready to make a decision. My experience with Facebook paid ads has been so amazing, and they're really easy to use, so I don't understand why more realtors aren't using them. I get it, Facebook ads spit out a ton of leads, and you gotta go through those leads. But in this day and age, in 2024, there are so many ways you could work around that. If you wanna find out those ways, just comment "ad" in the comment section below. Guys, I'm really passionate about spreading the word about Facebook and Instagram paid ads. I feel that they're indispensable tools for modern realtors. They offer unparalleled audience reach, interactive engagement, and they offer effective lead generation. But remember guys, the real magic could only happen in the follow-up. That's why they say fortune is in the follow-up. So go ahead guys, harness the power of digital advertising and transform the way we connect with our clients with disciplined follow-up and CRM management. Guys, you gotta be running that CRM. Do you even know what a CRM is? I hope so. Paid Facebook ads is just one of my favorite lead generation systems, but I have another 24 lead generation systems that I currently use in my business right now. And if you want to hear more about them, just click the link in my bio and be sure to subscribe for more.